Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is Smash or Stash. Every month we show you ways of using up items in your craft room, toolbox, whatever you have, to make something wonderful and to use up your stash. So this month, our theme was, of course, buttons. Let me clear these out of the way and show you what I've made. So I have used up some of my button stash in making these 4 Thanksgiving cards. It was a simple design to do. The hardest part was sewing the buttons. So I did sew them through the base color, and this one it was orange. These buttons I glued on, and after I glued them I realized I didn't like it. It was messy, but it was so much easier. You just do the little X's on the button with whatever you have, some kind of thread, and glue them on. But either way, it would work out great. I will put the measurements of how I made these in the description box below. I did not do a tutorial on it. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just put on the base color. So this was a cream colored cardstock, and then I had orange. I put this on the top, this pretty graphic, and then cut out 3 separate pieces. And then where those meet, I put on 2 layers of ribbon. One that is looks like a crocheted ribbon, and then the other is just a seam binding. And then I put the buttons on top of that. So again, I'll put the measurements. And this paper, by the way, was in a design team package. You may know I'm a design team member from Country Craft Creations, and this obviously is their fall collection. I will be making other projects with it. I just wanted to use up some of this beautiful paper and show you how fabulous it is. So that is what I have for Smash or Stash. Check out all of the other contributors in the description box below. And thank you to Beth from Bourbon Creek Crafts and Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa for hosting this wonderful collab. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so you can see what else I use to smash my stash. Thanks again, and have a fabulous day.